This is our third video in Unit 9, and we will be adding and subtracting radicals. The key here is to make sure when we add these, we want the square roots to be the same. See how they're both square roots of 5? That's the only way we can add them together. So by doing that, we're going to focus on adding what the numbers are in front of the square roots. So you have a 7 in front of the first one and a -9 in front of the second one. So we're literally just going to do a math problem, 7 minus 9. Well, 7 minus 9 is going to be -2. Okay? Because they both have the square root of 5, we treat it like a variable. They're kind of like terms. So we're going to keep the radical the same. So our answer would be -2 square root of 5 here. Now if we notice on number 2, the square roots are different. We have a 50 in the first one and an 18 in the second one. So the way we're going to have to do this is we're going to have to simplify first. We're actually going to have to take care of our square roots like we did in our first two videos. So remember, we're just doing this. We're just doing our factors. So 2 and 25 make 50. And remember, 25 is 5 and 5. There's our pair. So the first part becomes 4 times 5. We have a 2 left over. So remember, that goes inside the square root. 2 is inside the square root. Alright, so the second one, do a different color here. 18 is 2 and 9. Well, 9 is 3 and 3. Okay. 2, of course, is left over inside our square root. So the square root of 18 would become plus 3 outside square root of 2. All right, notice. Well, actually, let me simplify first. That's 20 square root of 2. All right, notice that they're the same square root now. So we can add this problem together. Once again, the square root stays the same. We're going to add 20 and 3 to get 23. And that's our final answer, 23 square root of 2. Our last problem today, we have 3 of them. And of course, as you see, they're all different. So we're just going to start simplifying here. 27, of course, is 3 and 9. And 9 is 3 and 3. There's a pair. 3 is left over. 3's in front. Times our pair, 3. Square root of 3. Oh, that's a good thing. So we don't really have to do anything with the second one. We're just going to drop this part straight down. We're going to do minus 5 square root 3. And then we simplify the 12. That would be 3 and 4. Break up our 4. That's a pair of 2's. So our third term would become, let's see, we're going to do 4 times 2. And then we have a square root of 3, because the 3 is left over. All right, let's just quickly simplify this. We got 9 square root 3 minus 5 square root 3 plus, that looks like that's 8 square root 3. This will simplify. Again, you see that they're all square roots of 3. So we have a square root of 3 in my answer. I'm just adding the 9, the -5, and the 8. 9 minus 5 is 4. 4 plus 8 is 12. 12 square root of 3 is my final answer. Again, when we do these adding and subtracting of our square roots, they're like terms. In order to add them, you have to have the same square root, same number inside your radical. All right, you have a good day.